Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Here we discuss about the project title Leisure, a framework for load balanced network wide traffic measurement. Abstract. We discuss about abstract. Internet has become an essential part of the daily life for billions of users worldwide who are using a large variety of network services and applications every day. However, there have been serious security problems and network failures that are hard to resolve. Network traffic measurement is the process of measuring the amount and type of traffic on a particular network. This is especially important with regard to effective bandwidth management. Network performance could be measured using either active or passive techniques. Active techniques are more intuitive but are agreeable, more accurate. Passive techniques are of fewer networks overhead and hence can run in the background to be used to triggers. Network management actions. Increasingly sophisticated network measurement techniques such as anonymity detection and security funds analysis are requiring in-depth fine-grained flow level measurements. In this project, the system presents a centralized optimization framework called load equalized measurement. This framework is used for load balancing network measurements. Workload across distributed monitor. Distribute traffic measurements takes evenly across the coordinate monitoring, subject to ensuring that the required fractional coverage of those tasks can be achieved. Data flow diagram. Let's discuss about the data flow diagram. Start. Extract the new traffic dataset because extract the new dataset and train the dataset and store the optimal dataset because this dataset is used to compare the workload of the proposed system, and then optimization used based on this dataset, and then create a node, that is construct the OD paths, and source and destination are selected, and then source node select the file and then transfer to the destination. That's mean data transfer. In between the source node create the shortest path based on the distance, and then activate the router monitor. Monitor the workload of the path and then time interval basis. If time interval is false, data transfer is retransmit because in time interval monitor the workload of each path and then derive the location and demand the rate. That node derive the workload from the location based and then measure the all traffic. If they compare the workload from the database of the already stored traffic data set, if maximum that workload of the path distributed all other path, and then optimize the load balanced, and then data transfer to the destination. And graphed analysis. In this method is used to analyze and display the graph to existing proposed system comparison. How to reduce the path loading workload and optimizing compared to the existing system. This graph is used to analyze the existing and proposed system and then display how to reduce the workload from compared to the existing system. All are displayed in the graphical format. Let's discuss about the running procedure for load balanced network wide traffic measurement. Click FI start running the project. In this project we discuss the node creation, data transmission, shortest path selection, and optimize the load balanced workload balanced based on the network traffic and time intervals, and then display the comparison graph. In this graph we analyze the existing and proposed system. Run system details and network details, signal details, they all are getting from the system. And then if the system details is the IP address and MAC address and host name, the network details are get the speed of the network, and then enter the number of nodes here, and then display the number of nodes and the xy position to distance, calculate the each node's the distance, and then create the node and then connect the each node, and then display the each path weight load, and then uh, select the transfer file if the source node details are displayed, and then select the file which file you want to transfer the destination, that files are selected here, and then get the file details and then packet details, and hash function used to add, and then source node and destination node are selected, and then color differentiate to display the node, and then node this source to destination possible paths are displayed, and then calculate the lowest path, and that path each path calculate the weight workload, and then optimize the workload each, select the lowest path. If the lowest path are connected, that path are color transmitted, and then transfer the color transmitter to highlighted, and then display the graph. If that graph is loaded, the path weight each path will load workload, and compare the existing and proposed system workload. How to reduce the blue color is the existing system, and that color is the proposed system. How to reduce the workload. In our project are comparative displayed. Thank you.